Hello, I'm doing a review on a Smallrig wireless controller, part number 4402. I previously, 2 years ago, bought this Smallrig cage for my iPhone 12, and I bought this handle with the Bluetooth controller, and it is a 3838, and the battery died. And after talking with Smallrig, they told me that the battery is not replaceable. So I'm like, okay, I could either buy a new handle like this, or I can buy the new handle from Smallrig that looks like this. I guess I should unwrap that. So it's a little bigger. It has a Bluetooth up on top. And then there's where you pull that out for the battery. And this whole cap comes off. And there's a little button cell in there that's easily replaced, common battery. Question was, will this convert? Hang on. The new handle comes with this quick connect, which is not compatible to my existing case. But if I take the screws out of this, I should be able to mount it in here, and it'll be compatible at that point. So I'm gonna take this apart and let you know in a few minutes. So the new handle has this little access door that has the Allen wrench built in. So I'll be able to use that to get that one off and mount it on the other one. Here we go. Okay, so after taking the two screws out and transferring it over to here, it'll now mount on the side, and it'll be just perfect. And I won't ever have to worry about the battery being drained and not being able to replace it. So that's a win-win. I'm really happy that that was done like that. So that was a success. It looks like both handles, once you remove and transfer the mounting arm, are compatible to older Smallrig iPhone frames. All right, thanks for watching.